that, Devin?
Baby.
Yeah, is that your baby? You give your baby a kiss. Yeah. Baby has 2 hands. Where's the baby's nose? That's right. And that's baby's mouth. Can you find a baby's ear? Where's the baby's ear? What else can you find? Dragonfly. Yeah, it looks like a bow, doesn't it? Do you love your baby, Devin? Do you love it? Can you love your baby? Do you love her? Oh, that's so nice. Oh, it's so nice. Do you give her kisses? Do you give your baby a kiss? Okay, bye-bye.